Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are fine. I delivered the lecture Social Studies, Grade 7. Unit number 1 और Planet the Earth. फर्स्ट यूनिट जो है वो प्लैनेट्स के बारे में है और इसके अलावा हमने इस यूनिट में 3 चैप्टर्स की स्टडी करनी है। फर्स्ट पे है प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स, सेकंड है द अर्थ्स मूवमेंट और थर्ड पे है फ्रेश वाटर। जो ओवरऑल इस यूनिट में हमने पढ़ना है वो इन तीनों चैप्टर से रिलेटेड है कि प्लेट्स क्या हैं, प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स क्या हैं, अर्थ की मूवमेंट कैसी है, अर्थ का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, इसके अलावा अर्थ की लेयर्स कितनी है, कितनी लेयर्स में उसको डिवाइड किया जाता है, तो 3 लेयर्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है, क्रस्ट, मेंटल और कोर। इसके अलावा जो अर्थ है वो मूवमेंट किस तरह से करती है और फ्रेश वाटर के बारे में हमें स्टडी करनी है कि जो फ्रेश वाटर है उसकी अमाउंट वगैरह कितनी है या वो किन चीज़ों के लिए नेसेसरी है। नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट है यूनिट नंबर 1 और प्लैनेट। लेट्स ओपन द पेज नंबर 2। प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स के बारे में हमने पढ़ना है कि प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स क्या है। हैव वी एवर वंडर्ड हाउ माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्म्ड। यहाँ पे हम पढ़ेंगे कि जो माउंटेन्स हैं किस तरह से बनी हैं। वाई डू माउंटेन्स ग्रो एंड वाई डू सम माउंटेन्स ग्रो हायर देन द अदर्स। वाई डू अर्थक्वेक्स अकर। Why do we feel a movement under the ground during an earthquake? What causes the earthquakes and why are some of them stronger and more destructive than the others? Why do volcanoes erupt? Why do some of these natural disasters like earthquakes and tsunamis occur? इन सब के बारे में हमने पढ़ना है कि ये क्यों होती हैं, किस वजह से होते हैं। प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स की डेफिनेशन है साइंटिफिक थ्योरी डिस्क्राइबिंग द लार्ज स्केल मोशन ऑफ 7 लार्ज प्लेट्स एंड स्मॉलर प्लेट्स ऑफ द अर्थ्स लिथोस्फीयर। All these natural occurring phenomena are linked to the movement of plate tectonics. The earth structure has several layers. अर्थ का स्ट्रक्चर जो है उसकी कुछ लेयर्स हैं। And plates on its outer side which move relative to each other, thus causing movements visible on the outer surface of the earth resulting in earthquakes. The earth structure has 3 layers which are, जो अर्थ है उसकी 3 लेयर्स हैं अगर उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए तो। फर्स्ट पे है क्रस्ट, देन मेंटल और कोर। क्रस्ट क्या है? इट इज़ द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ। ज़मीन की जो बैरूनी लेयर है उसको हम क्रस्ट बोलते हैं। द क्रस्ट हैज़ रॉक विच मेक द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ। नेक्स्ट है द मेंटल। इट इज़ अ सेमी सॉलिड लेयर ऑफ रॉक्स कंटेनिंग सिलिकेट, मैग्नीशियम एंड आयरन, जो कि क्रस्ट के नीचे प्रेजेंट है। ये सेमी सॉलिड है और इसके अलावा इसमें सिलिकेट, मैग्नीशियम और आयरन वगैरह मौजूद है। इट इज़ लार्जेस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ एंड मेक्स 84% ऑफ द टोटल स्ट्रक्चर। कोर क्या है? इट इज़ द मिडल ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट and is the innermost layer of the earth. The temperature is so high in the core that it has a solid structure. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and movement of plate tectonics occur at the plate boundaries in lithosphere. Next, move on the page number 3. Lithosphere is the upper layer of the mantle and the crust. The plate tectonics theory explains the structure of the Earth's crust and other related concepts resulting from the interaction of the plates that move slowly over the underlying material. The outermost layer of planet यानी कि जो अर्थ है उसकी जो बाहर वाली लेयर है comprises the tectonic plates. टेक्टोनिक प्लेट से मिलकर बनी है. The 7 major plates have been named according to the continents. The movement of the plates creates 3 types of tectonic boundaries. Convergent, where plates move into one another. एक है convergent. Convergent में क्या होता है, जो plates हैं वो move करती हैं. Divergent में क्या होता है, where plates move apart. Next है transform, where plates move sideways in relation to other growth of mountains, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, formation of trenches in oceans all occur along these plate boundaries. Next है subduction. Subduction क्या है? Subduction is the sideways and downward movement of the edge of a plate of the Earth's crust into the mantle beneath another plate. Tectonic plates are composed of oceanic plates and thicker continental plates, each topped by its own kind of crust. Along convergent boundaries, the process of subduction occur in which one plate moves under another and it forced down into the mantle. This wasted material which goes into the mantle is balanced by the formation of new oceanic crust along divergent margins by seafloor subspreading. Therefore, the total surface of the lithosphere remains the नीचे स्ट्रक्चर दिखाया गया है जो अर्थ का है डायग्राम में, जिसमें हमें आउटर कोर, इनर कोर, मेंटल वगैरह नज़र आ रहे हैं. ये है इनर कोर जो कि सॉलिड है. देन उसके ऊपर वाली जो लेयर है वो है आउटर कोर जो कि लिक्विड में है. आउटर कोर के आगे मेंटल जिसको हम क्रस्ट वगैरह बोलते हैं, और लास्ट पे उसके अर्थ का स्ट्रक्चर आ जाता है, यानी कि जो उसकी अपर लेयर है या अर्थ की सरफेस है. नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन द पेज नंबर 4. Same rate of subduction is usually in centimeters per year. Tectonic plates are able to move because the Earth's lithosphere has greater strength than the underlying asthenosphere, which is highly viscous and mechanically weak region of the upper mantle of the Earth. It lies below the lithosphere at depths between approximately 80 and 200 km below the surface. Plate movement is thought to be driven by a combination of the motion of the seafloor away from the subspreading ridge. It will be useful to number the major plates, 7 major and 8 minor tectonics plates. नीचे प्लेट्स दिखाई गई हैं जो कि मेजर और माइनर प्लेट्स हैं. नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन द पेज नंबर 5. Six of the major are named for the continents embedded within them, such as the Indian plate, which concern India and Pakistan, and North American, African, and Antarctic plates. Though smaller in size, the minor tectonic plates are also very important because they play a significant role in shaping the Earth's surface. The Indian plate covers most of South Asia, including Pakistan and India. Pakistan is situated on the Eurasian plates, which makes it vulnerable to natural disasters, for example, earthquakes. It is believed that India broke away from the other fragments of Gondwana continent about 100 million years ago and began other fragments or moving in the direction of the north, and initially joined with the Australian plate. Recent studies suggest that India and Australia have been separate plates for at least 3 million years or longer. The Indian plates includes most of present-day South Asia, mostly the Indian subcontinent that include Pakistan, parts of South China, and eastern Indonesia, extending almost up to Kohistan and Balochistan. The movement of plates tectonics is supported by the continental drift theory. The theory suggests that plate moved from their original position. That is why the continents fit with one another like one puzzle piece. Most geologic activity stems from the interplay where the plates meet or divide. या तो प्लेट्स मिलती हैं या वहाँ पे वो डिवाइड होती हैं. The movement of the tectonic plates where they touch each other creates three types of tectonic boundaries: convergent, divergent और transform. कन्वर्जेंट में क्या होगा? वेयर प्लेट्स मूव इनटू वन अनदर, जहाँ पे प्लेट्स एक दूसरे के अकॉर्डिंग जो है वो मूव करेंगी. नेक्स्ट है डाइवर्जेंट. डाइवर्जेंट क्या है? वेयर प्लेट्स मूव अपार्ट, जहाँ पे मूव्स करेंगी प्लेट्स अपार्ट साइड पे. नेक्स्ट है ट्रांसफॉर्म. ट्रांसफॉर्म में क्या होगा? वेयर प्लेट्स मूव साइडवेज इन रिलेशन टू ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन द पेज नंबर 5 or 6. Convergent boundaries these boundaries are usually responsible for making mountains. ये जो convergent boundaries है ये mountains बनाने में responsible हैं. Where plates collide, जहाँ पे plates टकराती हैं, the crust crumples and buckles into mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world, came into being after the Eurasian plate collided. As the collision continues, the mountains grow in height. It is exactly for this reason that K2 and Mount Everest are both growing taller. It is believed that K2 will one day be taller than the current tallest mountain, Everest. Similarly, sometime it also happens that a plate of ocean dives in a process called subduction. under a landmass. As the overlying plate lifts up, it also forms mountains and mountain ranges. Sometimes the diving plates melt and often gaseous out in volcanic eruptions, turning into mountains such as those that formed some of the mountains in the ends of South America. नेक्स्ट है divergent boundaries. At divergent boundary, two tectonic plates move away from each other. In case of divergent boundaries in oceans, hot magma from deep in the Earth's mantle rises toward the surface and pushes apart two or more plates. Mountains and volcanoes rise along the seam. The process renews the ocean floor and makes giant basins wider. A single mid-ocean ridge system connects the world oceans, making the ridge the longest mountain range in the world. The Great Rift Valley in Africa is a result of divergent boundary movement. Scientists believe that if plates continue to diverge, eastern Africa will split from the African continent to form a new landmass. A mid-ocean ridge would then mark the boundary between the plates. Next, move on the page number 8. Transform boundaries. ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्रीज क्या हैं? यहाँ पे ये डाइवर्जेंट बाउंड्री दिखाई गई है जो कि मिड ओशन रिज है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्रीज. ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्रीज ट्रिगर big and powerful earthquakes such as the one is that completely devastated San Fran as United States of America. Transform boundary is where two plates grind past each other. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of a transform boundary. हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 1 प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स जो है वो कंप्लीट हो गया. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है चैप्टर नंबर 2 द अर्थ्स मूवमेंट. अर्थ मूवमेंट किस तरह से करती है. चैप्टर नंबर 2 है द अर्थ मूवमेंट. The Earth's movement, as we know, the Earth sum of the planets that revolve around the sun. यानी जितने भी planets वगैरह हैं वो revolve करते हैं around the sun. Besides this, Earth also rotates on its own axis. Thus, the Earth has two types of motion. Earth की जो motion है वो दो तरह से होती है. एक है rotation और दूसरी है revolution. नीचे डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है रोटेशन और रेवोल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास अर्थ टू मोशन, रोटेशन और रेवोल्यूशन. समटाइम्स द टू मोशंस ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट अर्थ कैन बी मिक्स्ड अप and be a little confusing. Let us now discuss these two movements separately. रोटेशन. रोटेशन क्या है? रोटेशन is the movement of the earth spinning like the toy we are so familiar with the lato, which is also called the spinning top, that children play with, especially in the Indian subcontinent. The earth also spins on its axis just like a lotto. This movement of earth on its axis is called rotation. इस movement को हम rotation बोलते हैं. The earth rotates on its axis from the west to the east. The axis is an imaginary line passing through the northern and the southern poles. For the earth to complete its rotation, it takes about 24 hours exactly, the time we have in one complete day. This is called the daily motion of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis from the west to the east. The axis is an imaginary line passing through the northern and the southern poles. For the earth to complete its rotation, it takes about 24 hours exactly, the time we have in one complete day. This is called the daily motion of the earth. Next, move on the page number 10. Movement is responsible for the occurrence of day and night. Since the earth is facing the sun, which is always shining, one side of earth is all the time exposed to the sun. How rotation periods are calculated? The period of rotation is calculated with reference to a star and the sun. When it is calculated with reference to a star, it is called a sidereal day, and when it is calculated with reference to the sun, it is called a solar day. Next topic है solar days and sidereal days. The solar day is a time period of 24 hours and the duration of a sidereal day is 4 minutes less than our standard day. That is 23 hours 56 minutes. This is difference of 4 minutes between a standard day or a solid day and a sidereal day is because the position of the earth, it keeps changing with reference to the sun due to the revolution around it. While taken by the planet and earth, in our case, for a rotation of exactly 360 degrees on its axis. As a result of the apparent motion of the sun, the appearance of the night sky as seen from the earth changes from day to day. The stars rise every day 4 minutes earlier than the preceding day. Revolution of the earth. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. Revolution क्या है? अर्थ की मूवमेंट होती है sun के अराउंड in its orbit in space. One complete revolution cycle determine 1 year of a heavenly body, including our planet Earth. This movement of the earth is from west to east. East the period of revolution of the earth around the sun is 1 year 365 and 1 or 4 days. 1 year is of 365 days. This 1 year is actually the time Earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun. Each year this residual 1/4 of the day adds up to make a day. Scientists came up with the concept of leap year to account for the extra 1/4 of a day. since 1 quarter remains additional to or standard 1 year of 365 days. To avoid confusion, they keep this 1 quarter every year separate and do not add it to the year on an annual basis. Instead, they add 4 quarters together to make 1 full day. जिस तरह से 1 quarter बताया था उसी तरह से 4 quarters हैं, अगर वो होंगे तो एक फुल डे बनेगा. Since 4 quarters add to make 1 complete day, they add 1 day every 4 years. This year, when this 1 day is added to the year, is called a leap year, which has 365 plus 1 day, that is 366 days. A leap year is divisible by 4. The average of the maximum and minimum distance is called the mean distance, and this distance of the sun from the earth is 150 million kilometers. Next, move on the page number 12. The axis of the earth makes an angle of 23.5 to the plane of ecliptic. The earth's axis points constantly to the same point, that is the pole star. In the celestial sphere, as a result of this, the latitude on the surface of the earth at which the sun's ray fall vertically keeps changing as the earth moves in its orbit around the sun. Due to this, the earth attains 4 critical positions with reference to the sun. Next topic है the equinoxes. At a certain date in a year, the earth is in such a position with reference to the sun that the sun rays fall vertical at the equator. This results in equal duration of days and nights in the entire world. This happens on March 21st every year, and it is called the spring equinox. A similar situation occurs on September 23rd, and it is called the autumnal equinox. Summer solstice. On June 21st, the sun rays fall vertically over the Tropic of Cancer because the North Pole is inclined at its maximum towards the sun. At this time, the North Pole experiences a long continuous day and the South Pole a long continuous night. The Northern Hemisphere has the summer season at this time, and the Southern Hemisphere experience winter now. In addition, the days are longer than the nights in the northern hemisphere at this time. Winter solstice क्या है? On December 22nd, the position of the earth with respect to the sun is such that the south pole is inclined at its maximum towards the sun, and the Tropic of Cancer gets the vertical rays of the sun. This position is called the winter solstice. When the sun shines continuously in the south polar region, and it is a long continuous night at the north pole. This is the winter season in the northern hemisphere and the summer in the southern hemisphere. During the winter solstice, the days are longer than the nights in the southern hemisphere. Next है seasons. We all enjoy the four seasons. We have summer, winter, autumn and spring. But have we ever wondered how these seasons change? ये season change किस तरह से होते हैं? It is because of our Earth's changing distance from the sun. As we know, the orbit around the sun is elliptical. So, as the Earth goes around the sun in an elliptical orbit, the distance from the sun changes as the Earth travels on its orbit around the sun. Next, move on the page number 14. It is clear that during the year, the seasons change depending on the amount of sunlight reaching the earth as it revolves around the sun in its elliptical orbit. But why does the amount of sunlight change as the earth revolves around the sun? Earth has four seasons because our planet, Earth's axis of rotation, is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees relative to our orbital plane, which is the plane of Earth's orbit around the sun. Miraculously, this axis is just right for the right amount of sunlight received for the different seasons. If the angle of this rotation were different, we would have more extreme seasons which might not have been suitable for us living on Earth. This tilt of Earth while it is rotating on its axis is crucial to the four seasons we have on Earth. The seasons occur as the Earth, tilted on its axis, travel in its orbit around the sun, completing one cycle of its revolution in 365.25 days or 1 year. Summer takes place in the hemisphere that is tilted towards the sun, and winter occurs in the hemisphere tilted away from the sun. The hemisphere that is tilted toward or away from the sun changes as the earth travels around the sun. Next, move on the page number 15. Obviously, the hemisphere that is tilted towards the sun is warmer because more sunlight travels directly to the earth's surface in that hemisphere and gets less scattered in the atmosphere. Northern and southern hemisphere have opposite seasons exactly because of this tilt. That means that when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. So, the seasons are reversed from the northern to the southern hemisphere. Furthermore, the hemisphere tilted towards the sun has longer days and shorter nights. That's why we observe that we have longer days during the summer and relatively shorter during the winter. Furthermore, the hemisphere tilted toward the sun has longer days and shorter nights. That's why we observe that we have longer days during the summers and relatively shorter during the winter. Therefore, the changes in the duration of day and night and the change of the four seasons are a combination of the Earth's revolution and the tilt of the axis. Generally, the greater the distance of a place on Earth from the equator, the cooler the summer and winter temperatures are. The North Pole is freezing compared to the temperature in Lahore. Interestingly, at the equator, there are no seasons because every day the same amount of sunlight reaches the equator at about the same angle. Every single day of the year, the equator receives about 12 hours of sunlight. The poles remain extremely cold because they are never tilted in a direct path of sunlight. Much of the light is scattered by the atmosphere before reaching the poles. A surprising fact is that during middle of the winter, when a pole is tilted away from the sun, there is no daylight at all. The sun never rises. Similarly, इसी तरह से during the summer, a pole receives sunlight all the time and there is no night at all. Imagine you are living on the pole and you experience a day when the sun never sets and you have to sleep while there is still daylight outside. Unit number 1, our planet, the Earth. चैप्टर नंबर 1 है प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मैनी लेयर्स ऑफ अर्थ स्ट्रक्चर. जो अर्थ स्ट्रक्चर है उसकी लेयर्स कितनी हैं. द अर्थ स्ट्रक्चर हैज़ 3 लेयर्स. हैज़ 3 लेयर्स. 3 लेयर्स हैं अर्थ स्ट्रक्चर की. विच आर एज फॉलोज. फर्स्ट पे जो लेयर है वो क्रस्ट है. फर्स्ट लेयर. It is the outermost layer of the earth. The crust has rocks which make the surface of earth सेकंड है द मेंटल, it is a semi-solid layer of rocks containing silicate magnesium and iron, magnesium and iron, and makes 84% of the total structure. लास्ट जो लेयर है वो कोर, it is the middle of or planet and is the innermost layer of the earth and is the innermost layer of earth. The temperature is so high in the core that it has no solid structure. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, व्हाट इज लिथोस्फीयर? Lithosphere is the upper layer of the mantle and the crust. लिथोस्फीयर क्या है? अपर लेयर है मेंटल और क्रस्ट की। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, how many tectonic boundaries created by the movement of plates? the movement of plates creates three types of tectonic boundaries, convergent, divergent or transform. Where plates move into one another. नेक्स्ट है डाइवर्जेंट. डाइवर्जेंट क्या है? where plates move apart from each other. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास ट्रांसफॉर्म. ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या है? where plates move sideways in relation to each other. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है डिफाइन सबडक्शन. सबडक्शन क्या है? Subduction is the sideways and downward movement of the edge या edges of a plate of the earth's crust into the mantle beneath another plate. Next question number 5 है how subduction is measured. जो subduction है उसको measure किस तरह किया जाता है. Rate of subduction is usually measured in centimeters per year. Next question number 6 है how many numbers of major and minor plates. माइनर और मेजर प्लेट्स जो हैं उनके बारे में बताना है कि वो कितनी हैं. देयर आर 7 major and 8 minor tectonic plates. Next question number 7 है why minor tectonic plates are important. The minor tectonic plates are also very important because they play a significant role in shaping the Earth's surface. Next question number 8. On which plate Pakistan is situated? Pakistan is situated on the Eurasian plate which makes it vulnerable to natural disasters, for example, earthquakes, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है डिफाइन ड्रिफ्ट थ्योरी। ड्रिफ्ट थ्योरी क्या है? ड्रिफ्ट थ्योरी सजेस्ट दैट plate moved from their original position that is why the continents fit with one another like one puzzle piece। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है When does Himalayas came into being? The Himalayas the highest mountain range in the world came into being after the Eurasian plate collided। Describe the three types of plate movements. Explain the effect of each type of movement with help of an example। Three types of plates movement which are convergent divergent and transform. फर्स्ट है कन्वर्जेंट बाउंड्रीज, the boundaries are usually responsible for making mountains where plates collide the crust crumples and buckles into mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range mountain range in the world came into being after the Eurasian plate collided as the collision continues, the mountains grow in height. It is exactly for this reason that K2 and Mount Everest are both growing taller. It is believed that K2 will one day be taller than the current tallest mountain, Everest. Divergent boundaries at divergent boundaries two tectonic plates move away from each other. In case divergent boundaries in oceans, hot magma from deep in the Earth's mantle rises toward the surface and pushes apart two or more plates. The Great Rift Valley in Africa is a result of divergent boundary, movement, scientists believe that if plates continue to diverge, Eastern Africa will split from the African continent to form a new landmass. A mid-ocean ridge would then mark the boundary between the plates. Next है transform boundaries. Transform boundaries trigger big and powerful earthquakes, such as the one devastated San Francisco in United States of America. Transform boundary is where two plates grind past each other. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of transform boundary. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर्स। MCQ नंबर 1 है डैश इज द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ अर्थ, मैग्नीशियम, कोर, आयरन और क्रस्ट। तो जो क्रस्ट है वो आउटर लेयर है। सेकंड है डैश इज द अपर लेयर ऑफ द मेंटल एंड क्रस्ट, लिथोस्फीयर, द मेंटल, कोर और सबडक्शन। तो लिथोस्फीयर जो है ये अपर लेयर है। थर्ड है natural occurring phenomena are linked to the movement of earthquakes, plate tectonics, rocks और several layers। तो plate tectonics जो था वो movement है natural phenomena जो earthquake का। फोर्थ वन है the earth structure has dash layers। तो अर्थ की कितनी layers हैं? 4, 5, 3 और 2। तो 3 layers हैं अर्थ की। लास्ट वन है डैश इज अ सेमी सॉलिड लेयर ऑफ रॉक्स, कोर, क्रस्ट, द मेंटल या लिथोस्फीयर। तो जो मेंटल है वो सेमी सॉलिड लेयर है रॉक्स की, द मेंटल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट है द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ अ प्लैनेट कंप्राइजेस द tectonic plates। सेकंड है dash is the sideways and downward movement of edges of a plate of the earth crust। तो subduction जो है वो sideways से downward की तरफ movement है। फिलिंग द ब्लैंक नंबर 3 है डैश वेयर प्लेट्स मूव साइडवे इन रिलेशन टू ईच अदर। तो ट्रांसफॉर्म रिलेशन है जिसमें प्लेट्स जो हैं वो मूव करती हैं साइडवेज पे। फोर्थ वन है रेट ऑफ सबडक्शन यूजुअली इन डैश पर ईयर, सेंटीमीटर। लास्ट वन है डैश वेयर प्लेट्स मूव इनटू वन अनदर। तो कन्वर्जन जो है उसमें जो प्लेट्स हैं वो मूव करती हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 1 जो है हमारा कंप्लीट, और चैप्टर नंबर 2 जो है उसकी हमने रीडिंग की थी। एक्सरसाइज जो उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव वगैरह है वो हम कल करेंगे। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।